Well, according to the Department of Health and Welfare, there are over 1,600 children in Idaho's foster care system. Frankie Catafayas joins us live with more on the impact COVID-19 has had on the system. Good morning, Frankie.
Good morning, Matt. Well, across the country, reports detail the heartbreaking effects COVID-19 has had on children in the foster care system. Prospective parents feeling uncertain after speaking with the Department of Health and Welfare and therapists who work directly with children in the system. We have new details surrounding the local impact of COVID-19 and foster care.
Idaho did have to make the difficult decision to provide visits between children and their parents virtually rather than in person.
Coronavirus concerns made this the new normal for kids in foster care.
However, with the governor's reopening of Idaho, we have started to have face-to-face visits between children and their parents again. That began last week.
Idaho is one of the first states in the country to reintroduce the face-to-face meetings. These visits are crucial to the emotional well-being of a child. One licensed clinical social worker telling us that cutting children off from parents abruptly
could really lead to a lot of trauma, in a sense, a lot of symptoms of trauma based on traumas they've already experienced in their lifetime.
Idaho's Department of Health and Welfare is still doing their part to stop the potential spread of the virus.
Children are experiencing visits with their parents while wearing face masks and also practicing really good hand hygiene.
While the pandemic may have taken some normalcy from these kids, on the bright side, we're learning it's also taken kids out of the system.
We're actually seeing that adoptions are finalizing at a slightly higher rate right now.
With no delays in adoptions, the state's foster care program specialist adds,
children have a right to their parents as much as the parent has a right to their children.
The Idaho Department of Health and Welfare adds that they are always in need of foster parents. So if you're interested, we'll have that information for you available on our website under this story. Matt.